Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Kind of a cool text effect, really easy to do. Let's I used Epilogue that time. Let's use Corel Draw. Now you want a thick font, so I'm going to go to Arial Black. You have to click off your text sometime. Go to Arial Black. Then and you don't have to use grays, and you can use colors, interactive fill tool, and kind of put a white up there. Now go up to object and perspective and add a perspective, and you can either go inwardly at the bottom or outwardly at the top. You kind of want to make it in the center. Now I'm going to control D and make a duplicate of that. I'm going to move it down, but then I'm going to grab right here with my two-sided arrow and kind of make it shorter. Now I'm going to take both those. I'm going to go to effects and blend, and I'm going to blend them 8 times. And that looks pretty cool. Now it's already a group together, so we're just going to control D and make a duplicate and mirror it, and then take this mirror and move it down. Well, evidently I didn't make a duplicate of it. Let's put it back. Control D. You can actually hold down your two-sided arrow and your control button and without mirroring it. And then when you bring in your black box or whatever you're going to print it on, and if you make this flatter, it will actually look maybe better. But let's back up here and let's use a different color this time. We're gonna go right to here before we blended it, and we're gonna get our interactive fill tool. But this time we're gonna put a blue here, and then a light blue on top. Even the white would work, but I think that'll work. Let's zoom in here and see what you want. About half of it done, so you could bring this down, and that looks pretty good. Then Control D and make a duplicate and just move it down, and then get your two-sided arrow and just make this thing a little flatter. Ooh, made it too flat. And then blend it. You don't want to blend it too many times. But then just Control D and just hold on to your two-sided arrow holding down your control button. Let's see what it looks like this time with a black box on it. Pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.